Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order something on Chipotle. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chipotle.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Chipotle website where you can proceed with signing into your existing account or creating a new one by clicking on the sign in or the create an account button. Now you can either log in first or you can directly click on the Order Now button. You will then be shown the various menu of the Chipotle restaurant. You will find various different orders that you can take. So go ahead and click on Start an Order depending on your order kind. Then simply proceed with the Create Order button and you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and proceed with your email address and your password to log into your account. And now you will be shown the various different packages that are offered by Chipotle. You can simply go ahead and choose your desired food, and once you click on this, you will be taken into the checkout page. Just proceed with your payment information or your saved payment method, and after finalizing your payment, your order will successfully be placed. Make sure you use the correct address while placing your order so that there are no mistakes in the process. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make an order from Chipotle. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.